Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. What's up guys? Jadi di video kali ini kita melakukan pemasangan velg lagi nih mobil YARIS. Pokoknya mantep lah, ikuti terus keseruannya. Oke.
I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange.
Nah guys, tadi kita habis langsung meeting ya. Raya 2, Suta sama Shinjuku. Jadi tadi ownernya itu milih Suta karena dia lebih kantong ya kan. Terus kita lanjut ke pemasangan BBK, oke?
Oke sahabat, sebelum kita lanjut ke videonya, jangan lupa kalian untuk tekan tombol like, komen, dan subscribe, agar kami rajin selalu upload hampir tiap hari, dan gak ada ruginya kalian tekan tombol subscribe. Oke, kita masuk ke intronya terlebih dulu.
Mobil YARIS, mari kita unboxing. Ini dia guys, BBK untuk mobil YARIS. Pokoknya buat kalian yang mau gantengin mobil, tinggal kesini aja ke Toko Metro Ring di Jalan Haji Nawi. Oke, mantap. Next, lanjut parkir aja.
My own stock cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent, I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it, I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. That energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate.